Are you fascinated by the unexplored depths of our oceans? Well, here's a story that'll blow your mind. Since 2014, scientists have been scratching their heads over strange sounds coming from the Mariana Trench, dubbed Biotwang. These eerie noises, straight out of a sci-fi movie, have puzzled experts for years. But guess what? We finally have an answer. Turns out these mysterious sounds are actually the calls of Bryde's whales. Researchers used AI to analyze over 200,000 hours of underwater recordings, and matched the biotwang to these incredible creatures. And here's the kicker, it's likely a special kind of communication for a specific whale population in the Northwest Pacific. Why do they make these calls? We're not entirely sure yet. It could be a way to find each other in the vast ocean. What do you think? Drop your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting discoveries. And hey, share this video with your friends. Catch you next time on the Fuckman channel.